Having a WhatsApp chat button right in your store can help your visitors to quickly ask you questions and get you the sale you want. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can do that in a simple way and for free using wati.io. Hi everyone, I'm Louie, your e-commerce consultant. So today we're going to take a look at how we can set up your free WhatsApp button using wati.io. If you don't already know, wati.io is in fact a complete WhatsApp CRM solution. But today we're only going to focus on this one thing, which is the WhatsApp chat button. Alright, so in order for you to get started, you want to click on this, or you can also click on the link that I provided in the product description, so you can directly go to this page. So once you've arrived on this page, you'll see that this is the generate WhatsApp live chat widget. So the amazing thing about this is that you don't actually even need to register for an account. You can just create the embed code using whatever parameters that they've set here. Let's look at them one by one. So the first thing is the chat button settings. So this is how you want your chat button to appear. So they have the preview here. You can change the button color. So want it to be black, it will turn black. Okay, so obviously the best color would be green still, because WhatsApp is green. So you can also give your button a name. So let's say instead of just the button there, you want some text to accompany it, right? So let's say WhatsApp us, like that. Okay, so you also get some text there. Change it to any text you want. Rounded corners, so how round do you want these corners to be? Let's say I don't want to be that round, make it a little bit less round. Margins, okay, so this will not be as obvious here, but it will be obvious when you put it on your website. You can keep adjusting this based on your preference. Okay, these as well, these are more of the styling stuff. Position, right or left, it will not show up here, but okay, so right would be something like this, message us. Left would be here. Okay, so usually I tend to leave it on the right. Okay, so the next one is the chat widget. So the widget is this. Okay, so if I press on this, how would this look? Okay, this button look. Okay, so you want to replace Wati with your own brand name. So let's say I put shop about. Okay, there we go, change to shop about. And then the subtitle. Okay, so typically replies within the day. I think that works for me. So but if you want to change it to something else, that's fine. Phone number, so this will be the phone number that will connect to this WhatsApp button. Okay, so when your customer clicks on this button, it should go to that number, so you can put in your number here. And then the welcome text, this one, hi there, how can I help you? Okay, you can change it to anything you want. So let's say you want to say, hey, do you want to talk to us? Do you have a problem? You can write it here. This will be after we click, right? We click on this button, this appears. Okay, so what's the message here? Okay, so I think this is fine. I have a question about page link. Page link is the current page they're on. Okay, or page title. You can exchange this if you want. Just click on that. Okay, remove this. Okay, finally you have this brand image. So the brand image, right, this logo right here, you can't upload it to Wati itself. What you can do is upload it to another place, set it to public, and then put your URL link here. Okay, so as long as it can be accessible, it will show up right here. Okay, so finally the background color, CTA text, and then the border radius. So background color will refer to this. So let's say I change it to that. Okay, or you just change it to your brand color. Yeah. Okay, so CTA text, this one, start chat. Okay, you change it to anything you want. Chat with us, for example, and then border radius, how round you want these corners to be. say let's round, put 15. Okay, so open widget by default, do you want this widget to be open already, or you want it to be stay closed like this until they click it, then the widget will open. Okay, so everything's fine here. So once you're done, just click on generate widget code. Sorry, forgot to put the phone number here. So just put your phone number. Okay, so everything's ready. Generate the code. So you have this code which now you can embed to your Shopify store. Okay, so you want to copy this code. Now, so once you have the code copied, you want to paste it into the code for your Shopify store. So you want to go to your online store and then select the theme that you're using. Usually it's the current theme. Okay, click on this and then edit code. It will be different for every theme, but the debut theme that I have here, I just have to go to theme.liquid to paste the code in. So inside the theme.liquid, you want to look for the body tag. So you can look for it this way, like this. Okay, so this is the body tag. You want to paste the script just under the body tag and then save it. Okay, once you have saved everything, you want to preview your store to see that you have the WhatsApp button. Okay, so you can see here the WhatsApp button is enabled. Okay, so it has everything set up, and if I click here, it will direct me to this. Okay, so you can see, right? I have a question about Entrepreneur Campfire. Okay, so this is my page title. So let's say if you have, if they're on a product page, then this will reflect the product page title. So that is the step-by-step on how you can use wati.io to generate your WhatsApp widget code and then put it into your Shopify store. So if you need any help with setting this up or anything to do with Shopify, setting up a store on Shopify, helping you install an app on Shopify, or any troubleshooting issues, feel free to send me a message and give me the project details, and I'll get back to you with a quote within 1 working day. Thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video. I really appreciate your time, and I hope that you have learned something that can help you to enable the WhatsApp chat button in your store. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to leave them in the comment sections below. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up to help me with the YouTube algorithm. And if you want more content about Shopify and e-commerce, then make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye bye.